Welcome. If you want to keep your Telegram group secure and make sure only trusted people can manage live streams, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to prevent specific group admins from managing live streams on Telegram, using the latest updates as of May 2025. First, open the Telegram app on your device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to the group where you're an admin. You'll see all your groups on the main chat list. Just tap the group you want to manage. At the top of your group chat, tap on the group name. This will take you to the group's profile page, where you can see all the details and settings for your group. Next, look for the Edit option, usually shown as a pencil or gear icon. Tap on this to access the group's management settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and tap on Administrators. Here, you'll see a list of everyone who has admin rights in your group. Scroll through and tap on the admin whose permissions you want to change. A list of permissions for that admin will appear. Look for the option called Manage Live Streams. This is the setting that allows an admin to start, schedule, and control live broadcasts within your group. To prevent this admin from managing live streams, simply toggle this option off. Once you've switched off Manage Live Streams, make sure to save your changes. Usually there's a Save button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm and apply the new settings. That's it. With just a few taps, you've restricted live stream management to only the admins you trust. This helps keep your group's live events secure and ensures that only authorized people can go live or schedule broadcasts. Remember, Telegram's admin permissions are powerful tools. Regularly review and update them to keep your group running smoothly and safely. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Telegram tips and updates.